Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly check in and share a few things. So in this first video, first thing I want to say is um, I hope everybody is in a good place and that you're safe and you're healthy and that your basic needs are being met. That is first and foremost the most important thing. So, and I'm going to share another video in just a few moments that is more academic related. But if you are still at the place where you guys are trying to figure out you and your family and how all the logistics of the next few weeks are going to go, you need to figure out those things first. So feel free to ignore all the other extra stuff until you have some of those things figured out. But I wanted to actually take some time during this first video to share some resources that are out there. Okay, so first thing first is that any students who are free or reduced lunch and get free lunches at school, so on and so forth. As of now, the district is planning to have individuals deliver those meals to the bus stops. So each day of the week, at least, when they would normally have their food, they're going to stop. I don't know what time those things will be. Look to district communication for more information on that, or you can always reach out to Mr. Huck at the office. I think all the administrators are going to be working kind of full-time and being at the schools and answering any questions you might have. Also, hand-to-hand, so some students get hand-to-hand bags, a bag of food each week, and it sounds like hand-to-hand is going to continue to do that, but and they may be delivering those things to the actual houses of the students who get those things, and it sounds like they might, if they have the resources, be even providing more than what they normally do at school in this time of need. So, a couple opportunities, though, I want to show you is there is at Love Inc. Love Inc. is coordinating all the food donations. So if you are able and willing to donate some food to Love Inc., it's located in Hudsonville. Their phone number is on the screen here. I know they're looking for volunteers too. They had to send a ton of their volunteers home. I think 80% of their staff is at an age where they're at risk with this coronavirus. And so they didn't want them to get infected, so they need volunteers and they need donations. But if you are somebody who is in need of supplies as well, Love Inc. might be a place that you reach out to. Another place, Sunrise Church, which is across from the baseball diamonds, the Georgetown Little League baseball diamonds on 28th Avenue, is where they are collecting donations for personal care items, as you can see right here. So feel free to go above and beyond and support those in need in our community by donating items there. Or if you're somebody who is in need of those items, feel free to contact Sunrise Church and see what's going on there, or contact Brent Huck, B. Huck, at jpsonline.org, and they can probably direct you to how to get your hands on some of those resources if you need them. Also, I wanted to direct you to a few other things that I have seen that are pretty awesome on Facebook. So right here we got Amy Hage, and I've seen many people sharing these things. As it says, it takes a village. If the school closures have you concerned about any child not being able to eat breakfast or lunch, please let me know. I will do what I can. A box of cereal, a gallon of milk, bread, PB&J, let me know. Feel free to PM me, no judgment, just help from a teacher who is home these next 2 weeks. And then it says copy and edit your abilities and paste if you can help those in need. Okay, so I see a lot of these going around. So if you see, if you're cruising on Facebook and you're in need of meals, or maybe somebody's able to do some driving or daycare or like childcare, kind of peek around on there. There are people that are offering to help out. So kind of look around there. Another example is my sister, Courtney Bell. I've seen this from many parents where they have high school kids who are home and are willing to babysit if you are in a crunch for childcare and whatnot. So just wanted to name a couple of those things that are out there, resources for you or ways for you to get involved in donate or help out yourself. So, but first things first, make sure you and your family are healthy and that your basic needs are met and you have figured out daycare and all those logistics. But in a few moments, I'm going to also post a video on how Mrs. Philippi and I are planning to support you guys and your children while they're away from school. There's several platforms that the kids are familiar with, and we want to try to make their lives as routine and normalized as possible, and we feel like we could be a small part of that. So, hope everybody's well. Let me know, email me, or Mrs. Philippi, or Mr. Huck, if you have any questions or concerns. All right, take care, everyone.